Hey guys, just heard about Tabby and want to try it. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to use this app for the first time. So you need to open the app and create an account using your mobile number and email. You may be asked for Emirates ID or other ID verification. Browse through hundreds of supported stores directly from the Tabby app, or visit any of Tabby's partner websites like Shein, H&M, or Namshi. Tabby When checking out, select Tabby as your payments method. You can pay in 4 or pay in 14 days. Add your debit or credit card to complete the first payment. Future payments are auto-deducted and you'll get reminders before each due date. Shopping in store, open the Tabby app, select the store, and generate a Tabby payment link or QR code to show the cashier. And that's it, you've now officially used Tabby for the first time. Enjoy your purchase now and pay later with no interest. If this helps you out, give the video a like and check the description for more tips. Subscribe for more how-tos like this one. See you next time.